Welcome back to the channel, guys. Just going over trades I was looking at last week, posted on my previous market forecast. I was looking at AUDJPY for the sell, broke the trend line, failed to go back into the trend, and eventually sold off. Just as expected. Another pair I was looking at was EUR/USD. Price was previously at the resistance level. It sold off. It's currently back at the resistance level. Looking at developments for this week as well. Just observing how price reacts to this zone. And lastly, I was looking at EUJ for the sell. So we eventually broke out of the trend line, retested resistance, and then sold off for about 200 plus pips. So I believe those were the three pairs I was looking at last week. Only ended up getting into EUR/JPY though. For this coming week, I'm looking at the continuing downtrend on EUR/JPY. I'm also observing how EUR/USD reacts to the current support resistance zone. And with that being said, thanks so much for watching. Check out the links in the description below. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.